Okay, so give a try for 14, 15, 16. What's the answer for 14? 14?
Option A, sir.
Option A. Huh? How you got the logic? Reverse
Because
it.
it's in reverse order.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay. Next one. Huh? Question wrong.
7, sir.
Okay. E is 5. Read is coded as 7. What is dear? Okay. READ, DER. Both are having the same letters, right? If this is 7, obviously this is also 7. Option B. Right? If READ is 7, obviously DER also the same alphabet. 7. That's it. Done. Here, if there is no other options given, 6, 7, 8, 9. What? Okay. If you go in alphabetical order, READ. So what do you want to do? So you are telling if I minus everything, I'll get. But they are telling read is coded as 7. Question is given as read is coded as 7. If question is given as read is coded as 7, how can you change the question and tell, no, the question is wrong? Right? Okay. 16th one, 153. Yeah. So you should be using the BODMAS rule here. So I think you people are remembering the BODMAS. Okay. So 153 would be the answer for this. Okay. Next one. 17th Ava. Logic. Okay. M comes first and then P. Second. E comes next and then R. L comes next and then O and then last is okay. Last first. It keeps on going. The same way you can do it for numbers. Answer is okay. Fine. 18th. Quick. Sorry. B. Yeah. Logic.
71 C, sir.
C. What? All are sure C or A. What? C. Okay. 18th. B. Yeah. Logic. Okay. Swapping in the sense. Okay. Okay. So these two are interchanged. You're telling these two are interchanged, and then you're going to swap these both UT. Then you're going to swap D remains the same. They're going to swap U and T and E and M, right? Okay. S is going in place of T and this is going to be okay. And sources it is going to be S is common, so OU will become UO and R is common in between and it becomes EC. Please. Okay. 19th. It is similar to this. You can do it. Okay. And 20 is also easy. 21 is also easy. 22 to 26. Okay. What is the thing over here is they will give you a table. With symbols and what's the corresponding number or alphabet for that particular symbol. Now, after that, they're giving you 4 conditions. Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, condition 4. Now, the first condition tells if first element is a vowel and the last element is a number. What is vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Consonants, remaining things. The last element needs to be a number. Then the codes are to be interchanged. Fine. Condition 2 tells if the first element is a consonant and the last element is a vowel, then both of them are to be coded as the middle element. Whatever is the middle element of that, it needs to be coded as that one. Third condition, if first element is an odd digit and the last element is an even digit, then the code will be written in reversed order. The code will be written. If any element appears twice in the code, then it will be coded as L. If it is appearing twice, that will be written as LL. If 2 or more conditions are applicable in a single code, then condition 1 will be given first priority. Condition 2 second, condition 3 third, condition 4. This is the order of the priorities. Fine. Now, first one. What would be the code of 9D80803J4? Now, the first element is a number, last element is a number. So in that case, you need to check this one. Only this is available. The first element is an odd digit. Is it true? Yes, it is an odd digit. And the last element is an even digit. Yes, it is true. So in this case, what are they telling? So this is for condition 3. Then the code will be written in reversed order. Reversed order means you're going to reverse this entire sequence. So 4J30. So now you need not solve for every code. Just see the last one. 4. For 4, what is coming? Exclamation. Exclamation means obviously B and D are eliminated. So it will be A or C. In A and C, compare which is the alphabet which is changing. Q or the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th position is changing. What's the 5th position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 8th is going to be written as backslash, forward slash, whatever. Okay. So this is going to be the option number. Fine. This is the way to analyze your question and answer it quickly. Instead, if you sit and write for everything, you will do it, but more time. Okay. Next one. What would be the code of E6IVP27? Here it is. The first letter is a vowel, AE, and the last number is a number, right? Number. The codes are to be interchanged. Interchange means what I should do? Codes are to be interchanged. What is the code? Okay. This is the code. These are the codes, right? Now, E is written as Z. Okay. Z. 7 is written as ampersand. Sorry, the dollar sign. Here they're telling the codes has to be interchanged. Means the 7 and the E will be swapped. So the first comes ampersand and the last comes Z. So the first ampersand, last Z means it is either option A or option C. So these two are eliminated. Now in these two, compare. This is going to be the third digit is going to change. The third digit, it is percent I here, right? I means it is written as Y. So obviously this is the answer. Fine. Sorry. Interchange.
I interchange B.
Everything will get interchanged.
Interchange.
Everything will get interchange means I don't get. D. D means it is starting with this one. No? So E is Z. They are telling the codes will be interchanged. Every code will not change. Even if you wanted to do that way, cross check once if that's coming or not. If you want to change every code, 6 is written as bracket. Okay, fine. 6 is written as bracket. So it is going to be the same order. E is written as Z. 6 is written as the bracket. It's going to be the same order. Obviously, it cannot be D. Okay, as per your logical comment. Okay. If I'm going to reverse everything, it is going to start with 7 and then 2. What's the code for 2? At the rate. Is there any code with at the rate here? So your logic code doesn't hold good there. Now, whenever they tell the codes are interchanged, it means only those letters and the vowels codes are going to be interchanged. It is not the entire code. If they are going to be telling in this thing, reversed order, means obviously the entire question, whatever is going to be, is going to be reversed. But here, codes are going to be interchanged. Only that particular code is going to be interchanged. That's it. Fine. Next, what would be the code of J8E735A? So J and A are consonants. So for consonant, are we having something? The first element is a consonant and the last element is a vowel. Is the last element a vowel? Yes, it is a vowel. Then the condition number 2 comes into picture. First element is a consonant, last element is a vowel. Then both of them are to be coded as the middle element. So now let us see what is the middle element here. 7 is the middle element. So you need to see what is the value of 7. 7 is going to be $sign. So it means J and A are going to be given as a $sign. Okay, J and A are going to be given a $sign. So obviously it's not this option, it is not this option. It can either be C and D. Now in C and D, which are the things which are going to change? So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth position is changing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth position is changing. Fifth position means it is 3. 3 position is going to be written as star. So obviously this is the D is now clear or not? Not getting. Which one is not clear? Here the first is a consonant, J is a consonant, A is a vowel. If J is a consonant and A is a vowel, the condition given is if first element is a consonant and the last element is a vowel, then both of them are to be coded as the middle element. Now, what is the middle element over here? 7. What is the code for 7? $. So both these elements needs to be coded as a middle element. So this is going to be written as $. This is also $. That's all. Clear? Not clear? Clear? Online? Okay. 6-5VA2. So is there any logic for this? Odd digit. It is not an odd digit, so it is also an even number. So obviously there is no logic or there is no condition given. If there is no condition given, directly find out the codes for this and replicate. That's it. Done. Okay. What would be the code of I8A6P89? I is vowel, last is a number. First element is a vowel, last element is a number. The codes are to be interchanged. Okay, fine. Then what are they telling? 8 is getting repeated. If 8 is getting repeated, then what should happen? If any element appears twice in the code, then it will be coded as L. It means I will write it as ILA6PL9. It will be coded as N. And the first condition was I need to interchange. And whenever two conditions occur, what should I do? I should interchange it, or I should use the first condition as the first priority and the next condition as the next priority. So here it is a vowel, here it is a consonant, a number. So it will be interchanged. So it is interchanging means I code is Y and 9 code is Q. If it is interchanged, Q becomes the first, Y becomes the last. Q becomes the first, Y becomes the last. So these two options are eliminated. And here, since you are replacing both with L, both are having L, but you need to see which is changing. That is going to be 8 is in which position? 8 is in this position. So obviously this is the option. Here only L and L in both position. Here it is interchanging. Okay. So this is going to be a fine. Clear. These are the different types of questions which you might get in coding, decoding. One of the easiest topics. Practice 20 to 30 questions. Enough. Done. Right? Online, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.